How to download Halifax online banking app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. The process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now at the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Halifax and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of install or get, or also you might find this kind of arrow. You just have to click on that option. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. With Halifax mobile banking app, you can set card payments to round up to the nearest pound, storing the excess change as savings. Account holders can also benefit from cashback opportunities and arrange overdraft options. Once completion of this download process, you can launch it, provide your credentials, and log into your account. Once logged in, you can get access to different features. So this way, you can easily download Halifax online banking app. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.